SANGTE khuptawng smile. What's the biggest la? Mo takmin manzanaron sa he lahi sangka zakua sumruk pariata the biggest sawina am sak ania. Asaron sa mo memang itlapo sa omamaro su toite monetization chungchang vela buena kan tolo nan tiin saptoing kan say velo kanga. This song is sang by our Mizo woman, the greatest voice who had. Her name is SANGTE khuptawng, and the Mizoram is one of the in Indian states. It's very nice place, and the singer is also a very good singer. So this song is written. This song is sung by the Biggies, and I think they wrote it 1968. So I think those who watch my YouTube channel will enjoy these songs, and this song what is a very nice songs, and it's a brilliant. Okay, so please you will enjoy this song. Khazong khakasoy thito in English in da se ka thiam lo view amaro chu ka thiam ang chun chun te kan mang ve ani a in lo wa te ngo.
Wanna do that song? Wanna sing with me? Alright, let's do that. Smile, an everlasting smile. A smile can bring beauty to me. Don't ever let me find you gone, 'cause that will bring a tear to me. to take your heart away.
Asa mo ikop maya tizong kha kan ngai thak thei nita ni ome tuna video lo thlir tu te khong ai takin kan lo sui ta nam trin ang kan like le subscribe te min lo pe ulatin tong kam kan thiam lo wa mizo tonga kan mang pong kan thiam lo ema sap tonga kan tong ve khang lang pe pe ka su kan thiam lo le zual do na correction min pe du ani lo em lo chuan khong ai takin hate comment kha min lo pe lo ram turin kan som chu ani